What's up, guys? I'm back at you, and I've got a mini tripod for your phone here, and it'll work on any phone. I even threw my DSLR camera on it to see if it would hold it. It did, but I wouldn't suggest it. I really wouldn't. And really, I mean, it has multiple settings. I've got a turn thing here that, well, this turns and this will allow me to move the head around. So that's kind of cool. Tighten it up. Legs are flexible with some type of wire in there or something. And it looks like it's even got some type of remote control. I'm not quite sure what that is. This gadget that connects your phone, which is spring activated. It has a screw there and a screw there to screw on the head here. Is what this has got. Okay? So, take a phone here. I've got my Android with a big thick case on it. It does pull out to accommodate it with a little bit extra. So that's on there pretty tight. And I would screw it on the bottom one here, I imagine. There we go. And then I could use it as a selfie stick, basically, if I wanted to. Or turn it around and set it up and take my video and do whatever I want. It also comes with a remote control here that gives you complete instructions on how to pair it up with your phone. And basically, I don't know if it comes with the batteries or not. Probably not. Oh, it does. It does come with the battery. It's like a big round watch battery. Okay. As you can see there. So it does come with the battery. And basically it's got two buttons. One to start recording, one to stop, and one to take a picture from the looks of it. So there you go. Nice little tripod to set up for your phone. Comes with a remote control to control your phone. And looks like it'll fit pretty much any phone because the case I've got on my phone is huge. It really is huge. It's way larger than normal phones. And that is an Android phone. So it looks like it would fit your phones fine. Many different settings, whatever you want. And when you take pictures or have camera, you need a tripod. You need to keep things stable. That's all there is to it. Super, super, super affordable to give your phone a tripod. Again, guys, links at the bottom. I'll catch you guys on the next one.